Hi guys, in this video you're gonna learn how to see if someone blocked you on Snapchat. So to do that or to know that, first you need to tap Snapchat application, then log into your account, and then at the upper left corner tap search, then search someone or your friends on Snapchat. If you see no results on that person, then he or she block you on Snapchat. So that's how to see if someone block you on Snapchat. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.